So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the third video of the live trade trying to pass a fund challenge, a 100k fund challenge. Today is Thursday the 23rd October. I'm currently minus for this week. If you guys have followed the previous two videos for Tuesday and Wednesday trading, please make sure you do so. Tuesday I was on break even. Could have been a win if I did take more profit, which I didn't. And then yesterday it was a loss, and let's see if today the market gives us anything. If it doesn't, then I will probably trade and I will accept the loss. But yeah, let's have a look at the market. So this is quite nice actually. So everything happened pre-your market open, so that's the only problem. Look at this liquidity swap. So if you go to the hourly liquid, so we're on the Nasdaq, liquidity swept just down this bearish kind of like hourly liquidity area. And if we go back to the 5 minute, yeah, swept, reversal, came back into equilibrium, came back to this order block, came back to the fair value gap, and then perfect reversal, and it's going all the way up. So the only problem with that is that everything happened pre-your market open, so that is the only problem. But it looks like there's a continuation of that trend. There's an hourly gap here, but that gap is completely getting ignored, so so it's completely getting disrespected, which means that there is bullish confirmation. But let's see if anything happens upon this high. I would prefer a reversal back into another equilibrium and another order block if possible, another fair value gap. If that happens, then I could enter longs. But it's a shame that everything happened pre-your market open, which is not really my like trading strategy. I would want everything to happen after market opens. But let's see. So let's go to the S&P 500. It's the same story really. So I'm gonna mark down these highs, and it's literally the same thing. I had already everything marked down before I started recording, that's why you see here. Okay, so let's take this out for now. Let's come back to it later. So let's take this equilibrium as well. Let's keep all of that. So I'm just gonna wait until this candlestick closes to see if potentially there's gonna be a reversal. If that's the case, then I will mark down another equilibrium and see where price could potentially go. Just a continuation of bullish momentum, that this could potentially be a target point, this up here. It's almost 15 past 10, so 45 minutes after market open. I usually try for trades until like 10:30. So I don't know, but look, for now, as I said earlier, there's been a massive move pre-market open and until macro, and the second macro kicked in at 9:50. There's been this reversal, which I'm hoping that it's a reversal back into the equilibrium area, a potential order block up here on the higher time frame, and then reverses. Let's wait and see if that is the case. If that is the case, I might consider a very small risky trade. Okay, so let's go to the higher time frame on the 15 minute. As I did show earlier, we're in the massive 15 minute fair value gap, and let's see if it reacts off of it. Looks like that is exactly what's happening. Let's go back to the 1 minute. I really like this. If this candle closes above this area, then that means that's a break of structure to the upside, and if it closes even above this area, then that's perfect, because that means definitely bullish confirmation, and I would look for trades. So that candlestick didn't, but let's see if this one does. If that happens, then I will probably look for an entry. There's a fair value gap here, but I feel like I will probably just enter upon this inverse fair value gap and this break of structure. Okay, so I I am now in longs. This is the trade that I took. I will be targeting these highs, and the analysis was the same analysis that I went through earlier. So my bias will stay bullish, and on the 15 minute, this fair value gap has been filled back into equilibrium, back into this order block here on the hourly and on the 15 minute as well. So I'm hoping that this was correct, and then my analysis was correct really. My only concern is volatility, because it's 10:30. I don't know what that's gonna mean. So so let's just wait and see. So if it goes to this point, it will be a 1 to 1.10, which is not really a great risk to reward, but it will keep on going. So anyways guys, I will probably cut it here. Yeah, I'll probably cut it here and give you guys an update after the trades ended. Hopefully it goes right, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in a sec. Gentlemen, we kicked into midday US time, which is the kind of like the break time, and then heading into evening time, and it's been a very long trade. We've just been consolidating this whole area. Remember, I've entered upon here, and TP1 hit just above here, sorry, like literally now TP1 hit, and then I hope that it should go to TP2, but big mistake was that I entered on the S&P. I should have definitely entered on Nasdaq. But anyways, I'm kind of like break even at the moment for the week, which is great. If we go and hit full TP, then we'll be a bit in profit, which is really great. But I'm really happy for the outcome for the first week of the fund challenge. So really good.